I'm out in the middle of nowhere, Oregon, doing some pest control for a friend of mine. The starlings have been really thick this year. Knocked down quite a few already. I think they've been using a shotgun, which winds up scaring them off, which kind of does the job, but they just come back. So I'm out here knocking down their numbers a little bit. I was out here last night, got a coyote down there, and a raccoon over in those trees over there. Seen some deer, pheasants, quail, a couple gray diggers. Oh, there's a big old flock of starlings. You can imagine how devastating those are on the grapes. These starlings are probably one of the hardest pests I've had to hunt. Smart, durable, and they keep doing flybys. I think they're looking for me. I keep dropping them out of this tree. It's roughly 70 meters away, but with the elevation gain, it's probably like 60. The more I shoot out of this tree, it seems like the more they keep coming back. I don't know if they're looking for their missing buddies. They don't know what's going on. I'm kind of concealed under a tree here. I don't think they know I'm here. And of all the pests I've hunted, coyotes and these starlings seem to be the smartest. Been a long time since I've seen a pheasant. Here he goes. Oh, could have got him easy. 87 meters. .4 mils. I'll go over my rig real quick. DonnyFL RONIN suppressor, harmonic barrel tuner, tensioned carbon fiber barrel, Vortex, Razor Gen 2. It's a 5 to 27. Can't remember. On an FX Impact M3, it's a 700 millimeter barrel, 700 cc air reservoir, 300 bar, shooting H&N 22 cal 30 grain slugs at 1010 feet per second. My favorite bipod, Atlas, and my not so favorite trigger cam on a Vortex. I can't remember what tripod this is, but anyway, probably my favorite gun I have. There they go. Got them out of the vineyard. I'm on day 3 out in the vineyard. Today, brought my wife and my pup. But we have some wind to contend with. We're going to be shooting to the top of that tree right there most of our shots. It's roughly 70 to 80 meters depending on which tree, 70 to 90. So hopefully we can get it figured out, or this wind dies down a little bit. Wind is going to make it really difficult today. There's so many places from the land, you just got to wait from the circle around and come back here again. So you got what, one chance every 5 or 10 minutes. Guess this is payback. These birds are a better shot than me today. If I wouldn't have moved to get my phone, I don't think they would have saw me.
Okay.
tell she's trying to get it back in her molars. Damn it, rats. Right now, I'm going to change out my hammer spring because I'm going into winter. I'm going to probably do some more coyote hunting with this gun versus squirrels. So I'm going to try the 40 grain 22 cal slugs. I got the tungsten hammer weight. But the other day I was going over the specs of my gun and forgot to go over one of my favorite pieces. This is on all my guns. This is an ADM recon mount. The reason I love this mount so much is if you decide to change your size of your scope rings, you could just buy new rings and you don't have to buy the new clamp. It's a quick release. They are expensive, but good rings are. That's it. I've had really good luck with them returning to 0. So that's always my choice.